In a world where the beauty of nature battles against the tide of human impact, one company stands out in its commitment to fostering a greener tomorrow. Sparks Enterprises, a name synonymous with responsibility and environmental care, invites you on a journey of change. With our dumpster rental services, we're not just managing waste, we're protecting the land, air, oceans, and the very essence of our biodiversity. Located in the heart of Jamestown, Ohio, Sparks Enterprises offers solutions that are as simple as they are effective. By choosing us for your dumpster rental needs, you're taking a step towards reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a sustainable future for Jamestown, Ohio. It's time to open our eyes to the impact of our actions. Educate, advocate, and act. With Sparks Enterprises, your choice echoes the message "Together we can, together we will." Reach out to Sparks Enterprises at 937-510-3973 or visit our website at www.sparksdumpster.com. Together, let's pave the way for a cleaner, greener tomorrow. In the face of climate change, the time to act is now. With Sparks Enterprises, embrace the power of change. It is now or never. For dumpster rental in Jamestown, Ohio, remember, Sparks Enterprises. Together, we can make a difference in preserving the environment for generations to come.